What happens to the plastics that we throw away after use? This is the story of plastic bottles empty and discarded. Their journeys are about to diverge with outcomes that impact nothing less than the fate of the planet. To understand where these bottles end up, we must first know about the origin of the bottles. Plastic inner bodies was formed by chemically bonding oil and gas molecules together to make monomers called polyethylene terephthalate. These monomers in turn are bonded into long polymer chains. To make plastics in the form of millions of pellets, those pellets are melted at manufacturing plants. The melted pellets are formed into molds to create bottles. These bottles are then packed, shipped, and after use it is discarded. All the discarded plastics are collected and taken to the landfill. Plastic waste gets accumulated, and when it rains, the rainwater flows through the waste and absorbs the water soluble components it contains. And some of those are highly toxic, and together they create a harmful substance called leachate. Leachate. Leachate moves into the groundwater, soil, and streams, spoiling ecosystem and harming wildlife. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Plastic generally takes 1,000 years to get decomposed. Meanwhile, it travels through streams, rivers, and finally reaches the ocean. Slowly gets accumulated into a patch known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Ocean current traps millions of pieces of plastic debris. Ocean gyres of the world. There are five main plastic-filled ocean gyres in the world's seas. It's a place where the pollutants turn the water cloudy plastic zone. Some animals get entangled in the mass and other animals mistake the brightly colored plastics for food and it becomes toxic. Food chain is affected. Example: small fishes feed on microplastics and they are in turn eaten by squid. The squids are eaten by tuna and the tuna by us. And most of the plastics are not decomposed but they break down into many small pieces called microplastics. The plastic recycle. We can recycle the used plastics to a new product which helps us in saving the ecosystem and planet. Picture depicts plastic products recycling process. Say no to plastics as the plastics do more bad for the environment than they do good.